Welcome to Woodcut Tech, where technology meets the art of woodworking. Join us as we explore precise, creative, and inspiring woodcutting techniques. If you love machines and the scent of fresh cut wood, you're in the right place. Watching wood chips fly like fireworks, you can truly feel the raw power of the Brooks 806.3 ST, a real beast. Powered by 800 horsepower Volvo engine, this machine devours massive logs with ease, crushing everything in seconds. It's not just a machine, it's a symphony of technology and performance. Every time it operates, it puts on a spine-chilling show. Mechanical power has never looked this captivating. The Cat 310 works in perfect sync with the hydraulic tree shear, effortlessly slicing through trunks up to 30 centimeters in diameter. Meanwhile, the chipper handles 15 cubic meters of wood per hour without breaking a sweat. The entire system operates smoothly, like a finely tuned mechanical orchestra. Land clearing has never been this fast, safe, and clean. This is the new definition of performance and efficiency in modern operations. The Woostacker HD810, a high-performance chipper, becomes a true beast in the field when directly mounted on the Volvo FH16 with 750 horsepower. With an incredible 750 PS of raw power, the entire system runs seamlessly, steadily, and with extreme efficiency. The HD810 effortlessly devours massive logs, turning them into biofuel in seconds. Not only powerful, this setup is also highly mobile and flexible, ready to crush any challenge in its path. This is the new standard of mobile mechanical power. There's something strangely satisfying about watching glass vanish like cotton candy with every crushing blow. Each spin of the shredder unleashes a wave of pure, addictive destruction therapy. It's not just demolition, it's a mesmerizing performance of power and controlled chaos. Who needs a break when you have the Haas Tyron 2500 and Arthos 1600? Logs are transformed into high-quality wood in an instant. Chips keep flying from the powerful twin shaft of the Tyron as the woodcutter tears through everything with 770 horsepower of raw power. The 1600mm rotor of the Arthos completes the job with precision and speed. Watching them work is like witnessing industrial poetry in motion. Brutal, elegant, and unstoppable. What do you think about the power of these machines? Share your thoughts in the comments below. This beast doesn't just chew, it devours everything. The Morbark 436, with over 765 horsepower and a 36-inch drum, effortlessly shreds entire trees into chips in just seconds, saving hours of manual labor. Honestly, it left me speechless, stunned by its incredible power and performance. Instead of struggling with unnecessary difficulties, the Bandit 29,000T stands out with its impressive 122 horsepower from the ALM engine, delivering powerful and efficient cuts. With a cutting width of 74 inches and a depth of 24 inches, this machine is not only strong but also incredibly impressive. Its standout features include a low-maintenance hydrostatic drive, no need for belt adjustments or concerns about breakdowns, combined with a narrow transport width of just 35 inches, making it a top-performing machine. Don't let wood waste be a headache anymore. Wima's pallet cutter and WL4 shredder are the perfect solution. They help reduce processing costs and turn scraps into usable chips. Watch how it transforms your workspace, bringing great efficiency and savings. The Eschelbeck Biber 110 wood chipper is an absolute terror, a 750 horsepower beast with a gaping 47-inch maw that doesn't just eat logs, it devours oak trunks whole. Mounted on a heavy-duty truck chassis, this machine pulverizes 420 tons of timber in 10 hours flat, the equivalent of a small forest. Its engine roars like a wild animal, spewing sawdust like a blizzard. This isn't a wood chipper, it's a primal force that grinds everything in its path to oblivion. This isn't a log splitter, it's a steel predator hunting for timber. With devil fang blades and lightning-fast strikes, it tears through the hardest oak like tissue paper. The engine snarls like a challenge, while each surgical-grade splitter strike sends chills down your spine. One wrong move and kiss your fingers goodbye. Crafted by mad geniuses, this machine proves the line between brilliance and recklessness is as thin as a saw blade. admire from a distance. If you want to keep all your digits attached, the Austrian-made SPAL K440 isn't just a wood processor, it's a timber-devouring power plant. Industrial blades slice logs with ruler-perfect precision before the hydraulic crusher, with terrifying 20-ton force, pulverizes them into uniform chips in milliseconds. This 600-horsepower beast can fuel an entire factory's energy needs. Its secret? A German-engineered gearbox that laughs at hardwood. Just don't ask about the price. Unless you're sitting down. This is no ordinary wood chipper. The Scorpion 350 SDB is the most terrifying high-speed timber predator in the industry. Each rotation of its drum wields 4 strategically positioned blades that shred everything to splinters in milliseconds. Its 84-horsepower turbocharged engine roars like a battle cry, while the hydraulic feed system devours logs with magnetic force. No stress controls needed, no downtime tolerated. Just relentless 24/7 demolition action. Stand near it, and you'll feel the raw power of a machine born to dominate all wood. Chewing through stumps with a chainsaw? Recklessly dangerous. Meet the SG-24 Stump Grinder, the next-gen wizard that transforms this risky job into child's play with its tractor remote control. Its intelligent slip clutch acts like a force field, slashing injury risks by 80%. Just throw on safety goggles and keep your workspace clear. This technology completely rewrites the rulebook on industrial safety. Meet the Titan 53-4 Premium. Uniforest's Slovenia, undisputed king of log splitters, where cutting-edge engineering meets raw power. This beast delivers a bone-crushing 400 kilonewton splitting force, enough to flip a full-grown oak, and features an 18-way hydraulic wedge that slices through 53 centimeters thick logs like a hot knife through butter. Its intelligent control system lets you customize firewood output size with one-touch precision, while the 36 HP diesel engine runs whisper quiet even under heavy loads. The hardened Hardox 450 steel frame minimizes vibration, making this the weapon of choice for professional lumber warriors. Watching the LT4 sawmill in action is like witnessing industrial magic. Rough timber logs, weathered by time, are transformed into silk-smooth boards under diamond-tipped blades with micron-level precision. Automated laser guidance systems adjust every cut to perfection, while smart conveyors instantly sort finished lumber. This isn't just a sawmill. It's a robotic artisan turning raw wood into crafted masterpieces. Each operation is a mesmerizing ballet of technology that leaves even veteran carpenters in awe. From mighty oaks standing tall in the forest to the cheerful crackle in your hearth, firewood's journey weaves nature's perfect circle. Responsible woodcutting is an art of balance. For every tree harvested, 3 new saplings rise, transforming bottled sunshine into clean warmth. Each log not only heats your home, but reduces wildfire risks by 40% through careful forest management. This is where humans and nature breathe in harmony. Witness how this sustainable alchemy works. This homemade log splitter is a masterclass in ingenuity. By repurposing a hydraulic press and scrap metal, its creator engineered a fully functional firewood processor on a budget. While it may lack aesthetic polish, its raw power speaks volumes, demonstrating hydraulic force with brutal efficiency. Watch as rough logs surrender instantly to its relentless wedge. The results? Pure splitting perfection that puts fancy commercial units to shame. This upgraded DIY log splitter is a masterclass in blue-collar brilliance. Born from scrap steel and repurposed hydraulics, it transforms into a wood-wrecking beast with 20 tons of splitting force, enough to cleave the toughest oak. Its 8-way wedge system dances through logs with mechanical precision, spitting out perfect firewood every 3 seconds. The secret? A 10mm reinforced steel frame that outlasts commercial rigs costing 10 times more. This isn't just homemade equipment, it's every knotted log's worst nightmare. This log splitter is mechanical engineering at its finest, a masterpiece born to conquer even the most stubborn timber. Its spring-loaded auto-eject gate, 15mm steel stabilizer base, and multi-layer shock-absorbing rubber turn violent impacts into gentle kisses. The tungsten alloy splitting blade lasts 3 bites longer than industry standards, while the dual-action hydraulic system delivers 25 tons of butter-smooth splitting force. This isn't equipment. It's a wood wizard that transforms rough logs into perfectly uniform firewood with a single stroke.
Вот так. Давай. Наоборот. Еще.
The McCahill Dozing Aztec Peterson 5710 grinder is a powerhouse in wood processing and material recycling, designed for unmatched efficiency and durability. With its high-performance engine and advanced grinding system, it effortlessly turns logs, brush, and even construction debris into fine mulch in record time. Key benefits include fuel efficiency, reduced noise levels, and minimal downtime, making it ideal for large-scale operations. Investing in the Peterson 5710 grinder means boosting productivity while cutting waste disposal costs. perfect for businesses looking to optimize their workflow. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see more awesome content. See you in the next one.